This thing's great. It's super simple, super easy.
It feels natural in my hand.
Industries including energy, mining, shipbuilding, and other industrial environments have requested grinders with permanent affixed guards. Makita rose to the challenge, creating another first in power tool innovation. The world's first compact industrial 4.5 and 5-inch angle grinders with non-removable guards.
I really think this is a great design, being I'm the one who has to purchase the tools, so I think this is a great idea that they're non-removable and adjustable.
The non-removable guard is permanently attached, but can be quickly adjusted and rotated with the push of a lever. Rotate the guard easily for any application. These grinders also come with an attachable guard cover for cutoff wheels.
If it's difficult, no one's going to use it. I mean, literally it goes on. It's that simple.
Other features include tethering loop, anti-restart protection, and a high-power 11-amp motor.
Oh, the 11 amps are great. It cut through the galvanized real good. No problem. I was using the cutting wheels and it was just cutting right through some 1/4-inch angle.
It does the job. I gave it a lot of power into it, but now it just keeps going, you know?